Line follow projects are fascinating explorations into robotics and automation. Imagine a small robot that can navigate a path just by following a line on the ground. These projects typically use infrared sensors to detect the contrast between the line and the surface. When the robot veers off course, the sensor sends signals to the microcontroller, adjusting its motors to steer back onto the line. The beauty of these projects lies in their simplicity and the endless possibilities for customization. You can tweak the algorithms, experiment with different sensor placements, or even add features like speed control and obstacle avoidance. It's a hands-on way to learn about programming, electronics, and problem solving. Plus, watching your robot successfully follow a winding path is incredibly rewarding. It's a perfect blend of creativity and engineering that brings the concepts of robotics to life.